Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a cool interactive greeting app using PyScript. That's right, we're going to run Python directly in the browser without touching JavaScript. You'll learn how to connect HTML with Python, how to capture user input from a text box, and how to update the web page, all using pure Python. So let's get started. First, we start with the basic HTML page. We are including the PyScript core files, which allows our browser to understand and execute Python code. Here we have our code.css and PyScript.net code.js file. Then as soon as the body tag starts, we have added a script tag that points to our Python file, that's main.py. We also link a configuration file using config PyScript.toml. This is optional but good practice. So here you can see that we have our main.py and PyScript.toml, and this is what we have in our toml file. I'll let you know how I got this one so that you can also create at your end very easily. Now coming back to the index.html page. So this is now referring to main.py. So in the body of our HTML, we have the user interface. That's a heading, an input box, a button, and a paragraph to show the result. So here we have the heading and then the input button and the paragraph to show the output. Now let's go to our main.py file. Over here, the magic happens. We'll use the @when decorator from PyScript to attach a Python function to our button click event. And that's what we're doing. Here, if you notice, we have our @when, and we're saying when this kick happens on this greet button. So here in our index.html, you see the button with the ID greet button. So when user is clicking on this, basically we are saying that call this method greet user. So here the name is actually being taken from the name input from the index.html, and name input again is the ID of the text box. And then output is written over here, nice to meet you, and then the name that has been captured, and hope you have an awesome day ahead. That's the greeting, and that is being basically printed in the output paragraph that we have. So here if you notice, the output paragraph is having the ID output, and we are simply writing that over here in our Python code directory. Now if I open up the browser, and here I go ahead and write something, click on greet me, you'll notice that it says nice to meet you, Skillbakery Studio, hope you have an awesome day ahead. So there you have it, your very first Python powered web app running in the browser with PyScript. Now one more thing I would like to highlight over here, if you don't want to try this out in your Visual Studio Code editor, you can make use of PyScript.com. And this site, you need to first of all create your account, and then you need to create a new project. When you do that, you'll be presented with these three files: index.html, main.py, which just prints hello world, and then the PyScript.toml. So the PyScript.toml that I showed you earlier is actually taken from this place, and main.py I obviously have updated based on the demonstration that I wanted to present, and index.html was also updated because of that. So you also have the option of playing around in the browser itself using this website PyScript.com to give it a try, and let me know how it went for you in the comment section. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.